example, we're going to automate LinkedIn prospecting with AI agent and get results right into this Google Sheet. You get all the LinkedIn profiles and name of the persons and summary of them. So you know how much pain it is to do manually searching for people on LinkedIn or searching in any web browser. Like you're trying to find, I don't know, marketing managers in London or marketing managers in New York or sales directors, CEOs, VPs, executive producers, or agency owners. You're just scrolling, you just copy paste everything inside this. So this AI agent will be saving huge amount of time for you. So this is a series of AI agents. We're going to build this series of AI agents for B2B sales professionals. And we are going to build this workflow. So this AI agents figures out the job title and company industries and location of the persons. And it updates all the informations inside this Google Sheet. So we are going to break this AI agent in a step-by-step manner so that you can able to build by yourself. As I said, this is a series of building an AI agents for B2B sales professional. It's going to save a lot of time for you. And you will have all the leads neatly arranged in a Google Sheet. And trust me, this is a game changer. Let's dive in. So before we dive into building this automation AI agent, Vishad, just a quick heads up on what are the tools is necessary for this AI agents. We're going to use the different tools. And the first one is OpenAI. ChatGPT has to be connected with this agent. So that's what let us use the AI to understand your search requests. You will also need a Google search AI credentials, which is how we will actually be searching LinkedIn profile through Google. And finally, you will need access to Google Sheet. Just connect your Gmail credentials with this AI agents because that's where we will be saving all the juicy part of LinkedIn leads. So these are some of the prerequisites it's required for this agent. Now let's start diving into building this AI agent. So before starting, let's test this how this AI agent works. I'm going to give a query of find a sales director in London region. Enter. So this AI agent started running and it starts to executing the result and the workflow is called and the node has successfully executed. Let's go this one and find the output. Let's run this test workflow. Yep. And finally, the workflow has successfully executed. Let's see how this one looks. Yes, you can see the lead which has updated in the below after 35th section. And let me tell you how this one works. So let's see the last executions happened. So it happened on 4th March, 5:36, perfectly fine. And let's see how this workflow works. So this is the start node where the whole process kicks off, where it's like turning on and off of the automations. You can activate this workflow anywhere, anytime. It's like a simple web form or even a voice assistant. So you want to connect this AI agents. So we are telling this AI agent, so this agent have an access to tool name query, which where you can use to find the LinkedIn proof and all other things. And we are giving the system informations about a complete prompt. We are telling this AI agent to act as an AI assistant to prospecting the LinkedIn profiles. And we are telling this AI agents to extract the LinkedIn profiles, job titles, company informations, and location of the persons. As in this video we were searching for sales director in London, you can also search for, let's say for example, if you want to find a CEOs in London working in finance or loan industries, or if you want to find a software engineer in Berlin, or if you want to find a CFOs in San Francisco, you can filter those leads. So we're telling this workflow name is query, and this workflow is going to execute this workflow, and we are connecting this open API, and we are giving this prompt. We are telling this AI agents to act like it's going to scrap a leads of LinkedIn profile, and it's going to organize as a job title, location, and industry. So what it does is like it goes to Google, and this open API helps to search a profile of sales director in LinkedIn. And we have set page options. We have made it as a 2 pages. That means you have a page of 1 2 3 4 5 10. It's going to search page 1, it's going to search page 2, it's going to filter all the leads and put those leads inside the Google Sheet. And we have a split search page. This means you have a page number 1 and page number 2. And if you want to change to 4 5, let's do it and just go here, try to enter it as 4. Let's say we are telling this AI agents to filter leads from the 4 pages, and let's run this test. Yes. So the page number is for total page number is 4, and it's going to give a LinkedIn profile of all the 4 pages. And let's see this in split page. Yes, it is executed. Let's execute the test state. Yeah, finally the page number is 4. This means page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. This open API searches all the LinkedIn profile and updates those leads inside a Google Sheet. And we have a Google custom search API credentials in this, like it's going to call this URL, and then we are giving the credentials of open API credentials, and we are the name is like next page. We are telling the value of 4 pages here. Now let's run this test output. Yes, and finally it's executed for 4 pages. And after that, you have a LinkedIn profile filter. So what it does is like it will be getting only the LinkedIn profile. So you have a LinkedIn profile, and let's run the test. Yes, it's finally executed. So this shows like this JavaScript tells only collect a LinkedIn profile from the Google. And with this split output, we have given this credentials of getting only the job title, locations, and industries from the LinkedIn profile. The split output, when once we run this test step, yes, it finally gives the name and the LinkedIn URL and the details of that lead. And at the end, you need to connect with this Google Sheet. So go to Google Sheet and create new credentials and update your details. So inside this, you could able to see LinkedIn name and summary. Just drag this JSON inside this LinkedIn and snippet inside the summary and URL. I think we have misplaced this. Yeah, we need to connect this name under this name sections and LinkedIn profile under the LinkedIn profile, and that is what we have been called for. And let's run this test step. Yep, finally it has been executed. Let's see the output. Yes, it's perfectly executed, and these are the profile which has been neatly organized. So, all right, we have just walked through the building this killer LinkedIn automation systems. So you can see how powerful this tool is working together, getting all the informations has been updated inside your Google Sheet. Remember, we are kicking off this AI sales agent for B2B professionals. This is a series of second video. And the first video, we have created AI agents that can able to search all these LinkedIn profiles, and it can able to give the output of each of their profiles, email, their contact numbers, and which company they have worked. And that is a different agents we have created somewhere out here in the YouTube. Just go and check it. So the next video, we're going to dive deeper into this B2B lead prospecting, and we're going to show you how we can able to use this AI to leverage, supercharge your sales process. So if you want to implement this AI agents inside your B2B sales process, you can connect with me, hit me over LinkedIn or Instagram, so I can come and help you how we want to create this AI agents. So if you want to create any other agents like this for the B2B professionals, sales oriented, marketing oriented, just comment below and we'll try to make some videos around that. Thank you.